Afridi makes room, goes up in the air, has it connected, it's gone! It's it! Shahid Afridi! Unbelievable shot! What a strike under pressure! Indians can't believe it, Shahid Afridi is talking to Jalil Khan as if he's done nothing. Wow, now 3 from 3, only Shahid Afridi can deliver such a punch. I'm sure it was a half hit.
It was a full hit. If it had been him, a half hit, it would have been in the angle he fielder there. But only he could play that shot. Only he had the nerve to play that kind of a shot. Magnificent.
Alright, roll him out. He goes again.